Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can change age in Brawl Stars. So once you open your Brawl Stars, just need to tap on the three lines at the top right-hand corner, and then here just have to select the settings. So once you're here on settings, as you can see, you just need to tap on the help and support. So once you tap on help and support, you will now go to this page, as you can see. And then you just have to tap on the account right from here. And then here in this page, all you need to do is tap on the message icon right there at the top right hand corner. And then here on contact us, tap on leave a message. So once you tap on leave a message, this will start a chat with Brawl Star support team. And then here you just have to explain the situation to Brawl Star support and request that your age is changed to above 16. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.